Welcome to Brilliance TV. PSC previous questions for Block Panchayat Secretary. ചോദ്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം.
1. The Vailar Award winner of the year 2017. A. M.K. Sanu, B. K.P. Ramanundi, C. K.R. Meera, D. T.D. Ramakrishnan. Answer: D. T.D. Ramakrishnan. V.J. James was the Vailar Award winner in 2019 for his novel Nirishwaran. 2. Who won Nobel Prize for Economics of the year 2017? A. Kazuo Ishiguro, B. Richard H. Taylor, C. Jacinda Eden, D. Barry Barish. Answer: B. Richard H. Taylor. In 2019, Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo and Michael Kremer got the Nobel Prize for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. 3. The India's first solar-powered demo train launched at A. Agra Kant, B. Delhi Railway Station, C. Safdarjung Railway Station, D. Gorakhpur Railway Station. Answer: C. Safdarjung Railway Station. On 40th July 2017, country's first solar-powered demo, that is diesel-electric multiple unit train, dedicated to the nation at an event at New Delhi's Safdarjung Railway Station. The train will run from Sarai Rohilla in Delhi to Farooq Nagar in Haryana. 4. Who is the author of the book Madhusri? A. Sumitra Mahajan, B. Shabna Azmi, C. Aparna Sen, D. Deepa Mehta. Answer: A. Sumitra Mahajan. The book Madhusri covers the life and times of legendary Devi Ahalyabai Holkar, who ruled the Holkar Empire spread over the Malwa region from 1767 to 1795. 5. The name given to the program launched by India to provide humanitarian assistance for Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh. A. Operation Blue Star, B. Operation Insaniyat, C. Operation Rahat, D. Operation Sukoon. Answer: B. Operation Insaniyat. The Rohingya people are a Muslim minority group residing in the western state of Rakhine, Myanmar, formerly known as Arakan. The religion of this ethnic group is a variation of the Sunni religion. 6. Who was crowned the Miss World of the year 2017? A. Andrea Meza, B. Stephanie Hill, C. Demile Nel-Peters, D. Manishi Chillar. Answer: D. Manishi Chillar. Jamaica Toni Ann Singh was crowned the Miss World of the year 2019. 7. Who has been appointed as the new Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? A. Raghuram Rajan, B. Umesh Singhal, C. Rajiv Kumar, D. Vijay Pareshar. Answer: C. Rajiv Kumar. Niti Aayog, the National Institution for Transforming India, is a Government of India policy established to replace the Planning Commission. Niti Aayog established on January 1, 2015 with the Prime Minister as its ex officio chairman. 8. India and which country have recently signed pacts for technical cooperation in the field of railways? A. Switzerland, B. Germany, C. Israel, D. Malaysia. Answer: A. Switzerland. The aim of PATS is to cooperate in the areas of traction rolling stock, EMU and train sets, traction propulsion equipments, freight and passenger cars, etc. 9. Which state government has launched an online public grievance redressal system? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Goa, C. Kerala, D. Maharashtra. Answer: B. Goa. It is a single window online portal for citizens to to register grievances towards any state government department. 10. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the provisions as to state emergency? A. Article 356, B. Article 352, C. Article 354, D. Article 360. Answer A. Article 356. A state of emergency, commonly known as President Rule, can be declared in any state of India under Article 356 on the recommendation of the Governor of the state.